Hey there, let's talk about something we all dread, cleaning. Whether it's vacuuming, mopping, or dealing with pet hair, it's a chore that never seems to end. But what if I told you there's a way to make cleaning effortless? Say hello to the HONITURE G20 robot vacuum and mop combo, a sleek, smart, and super efficient cleaning buddy that's here to save the day. Let me tell you why this little machine is a game changer. First off, this isn't just a vacuum. It's a 3-in-1 cleaning machine. It vacuums, mops, and sweeps all at the same time. That means you can cut your cleaning time by 30% without lifting a finger. And with 4,000 PA of suction power, it can pick up everything from dust and crumbs to stubborn pet hair. Whether you've got hardwood floors, carpets, or tiles, this robot has you covered. Now here's something I love. It's ultra slim, just 7.6 centimeters tall. That means it can easily slide under your sofa, bed, or cabinets to clean those hard-to-reach spots. No more dust bunnies hiding under your furniture. Plus, it's got a 150-minute battery life, so it can clean even larger homes without stopping. And when it's running low on battery, it automatically goes back to its charging station. No more searching for a dead robot vacuum in the middle of your living room. But wait, it gets even smarter. The G20 uses intelligent gyroscope navigation to map your home and clean efficiently. It's got 4 cleaning modes: zigzag, fixed point, edge, and random, so it can adapt to any space. And if there are areas you don't want it to go, like your pet's food bowl or a pile of cords, you can set up no-go zones using magnetic strips. It's like having a cleaning assistant that actually listens to you. Here's another cool feature. You can control it in 3 different ways. Use the app to schedule cleanings or switch modes, grab the remote control for quick adjustments, or just use voice commands with Alexa. It's so convenient. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Oh, and did I mention it comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support? That's peace of mind right there. So, if you're ready to ditch the broom, the mop, and the hassle of cleaning, the HONITURE G20 robot vacuum and mop combo is here to make your life easier. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Trust me, your floors and your free time will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome product recommendations. See you in the next video.